Harris,
Yeah.
what are we doing?
Cookies.
Say it one more time. Pink
Pink.
lemonade
Lemonade.
cookies.
Cookies.
We're making Pillsbury pink lemonade cookies.
Okay.
Okay, they smell really good.
Yay.
Alright, you're used to the drill, so what do we do? Put the cookie mix in there. Yep, remember, whoops, careful. We'll sweep that up. Good job. Alright, now we put softened butter. There you go, put it in there. And last thing, the egg. Did you just eat butter? Ew. Alright, we're gonna mix all this up, put it on the cookie sheet, and see what these pink lemonade cookies taste like. Hopefully it tastes good.
Yeah.
Alright, adios.
Yes.
What do you say next? Pasta?
Away you go. Bullet.
Kiss.
Bye.
By what?
Tube.
Pink lemonade tube.
Pink lemonade tube.
Dun, 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 dun.